What is up, YouTube? We're the Secret Stash Bros, and in this video we're going to show you how to turn a crummy old bifold closet into a hidden DVD rack. Okay, so,
when we had this door up at home, we had to measure the distance between here and the wall so that when this opens up, our shelves will be able to pass the wall. But what we first have to do is we need to plane down our 3 3/4 inch 1x6s down to a 1/2 inch. We want to try to make the shelves as light as we possibly can so that they doesn't put a lot of weight on this door. Never seen anything like this, never done anything like this really. So it's going to be fun. Let's go do it.
make a funny face when I come into view. What the heck? Alright, that's one done. But I think I'd rather see another one up here. Yes. Alright guys, so this is what we got going on. Here obviously is our two shelves that are going to be on the outside. These two pieces right here, they're going to fold out this way. So one's going to go, well, they're going to like squeeze together.
We traced the outline of our shelves. We got them in position the way we want them to fall. Now we need to drill pilot holes and get ready to screw these to the bifold. Let's do it.
Yes! Stack our drills together. Seems much cooler in my mind. Oh, we're gonna flip it over and see if it actually like folds.
Yeah, it's gonna fold.
That was pretty smooth.
Now we're going to work on the side shelves. We need to plane our wood down to a 1/2 inch and then cut them to size, and then we got to make our shelves.
Why 1/2 inch? You didn't think I was paying attention, did you?
Oh, why 1/2 inch? It'll make things lighter for us on our door.
Ooh. No. This is crappy sugarless stuff. This is Kelsey's crap. It's that sugarless like seltzer water. That's why you should always read the nutritional label, kids, because sometimes you get gypped.
I'm going to get my end down. You got to go that way with your end.
almost done. That one's done there, and then that one's just drying over there. We have to come up with a mechanism to get this one to move out of the way of this bifold, and that one over there to move out of the way of the bifold. So because of the way that our house is set up, where there's 2 walls on each side, so this one over here, we're just gonna have a hinge hidden on the back side. That's gonna cause that shelf thing over there to roll out of the way, but on that side it can't happen because otherwise this bifold will crush it over in the corner. So what we're gonna do is Dad's making a hook right now so that this shelf over here can just pop off. Now we got this bow right here, but we think we have a solution. So the hook is gonna sit on the top. It's gonna be hidden behind a decorative piece that we're gonna make here in a minute. But down here, we're gonna try and embed these magnets right here in between so that this thing will hug this bow close together. We're not sure if it's going to be possible because this is pretty dang strong. But that's what we're going to try, and if it doesn't work, I don't know, we'll just quit, I guess. Back it out. Zoom in. Got it in there. Yeah. Nice. We have come to a conclusion. This side shelf cannot be attached to this door because otherwise there will be no room when the bifold swings out to get into the closet. The only way this will work is if this is attached to our wall at home through some studs and we hide the hinges behind the shelf. So right now we're going to post bone attaching this one and work on our trim pieces, which Dad just found some extra boards. Since we are cheapskates, we're going with the same type of boards. Back to the planer.
Here we go.
You were supposed to turn it on.
We started before I could.
Yeah, no, you were supposed to hit it when you walked by.
Hey, at least we got it on film. We make sawdust. Hey.
I think it's funny, but it's
Okay, for the design one, we should do a duck. What is it? Then we can make it look like you. Who wants to look at the sun? Ah, oh, that's seriously bright. So in order to hide these things and get them to roll properly, or turn, whatever you want to call it, we gotta cut some reliefs in here so that these things can, like, I don't know, be recessed or whatever. So that's what we're doing now. Right, Daddy-O?
right, Leo.
The rest of these trim pieces are all different sizes, so this could take a while. so now that we got this thing all stained and we're just waiting for it to dry right now, there's only a couple things left to do. We have to take it home, install it, admire it, and then eat some potato chips. So super quick. This pivot rest, which came with the door, was actually only riding on a small little plastic insert. And so we figured this thing is going to get a ton of weight over the years. So what Dad did is he found a small little nut and a washer, put that over the thread so that most of the weight that's on the pivot will compress onto these instead of the plastic. The other thing we wanted to point out is that we added this wheel. This didn't actually come with it, but this extends on the farthest side, so there's going to be a ton of weight resting on this, but I think it should be able to hold up over many years of continuous use. We gotta pick it up a little more. What are you looking for? Okay. And on the other side. Sorry guys, things are gonna get a little hard to see here because we're working in the corner. She done.